completed. Let me share my screen and yeah. So concept of oxidation. Can you see this redox reaction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So concept of oxidation, reduction reaction, oxidation number, balancing of redox reaction in terms of loss and gain of electron and change in oxidation number. That means these are the two methods, right? Balancing of redox reaction, ion electron method, and this is the oxidation number method. See, right? So now all the doubts that you have now, we will cover it today. And please, guys, now you guys can choose here. So some basic concepts is done, structure of atom is done, classification of element is done, chemical bonding is done, redox reaction is done, organic chemistry is done. Hydrogen only left, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mubarak ho. So hydrogen. Okay, so next Tuesday. Okay, what is the? This is I have already covered. Do you remember from periodic properties that hydrogen, it does not have a fixed place in periodic table. It can be also placed with alkali metals. It can also be placed with halogens, right? So we can cover that point. And the isotopes, okay, occurrence and isotopes, deuterium, tritium, iodide, ionic covalent. The only thing that is important here, I think, is the heavy water. Okay, it is the heavy water. Okay, let me also open one more thing, which is the deleted part of the chemistry syllabus. Now in hydrogen, we have preparation properties, uses, hydrogen peroxide, preparation. Okay, preparation properties and uses of hydrogen have been removed. Okay, so this is chemistry 11th portion to be reduced, deleted parts. Fine. Again, for hydrogen also we have very less. So I think we can complete it in next class only. Fair. Let me go back to this here. Let me paste this question. Okay. Fine. So Hamza, you said you stuck, na?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me where, what happened?
Sir, I have found the oxidation and reduction, and then I could not proceed with that. Like how many electrons to be added and all that.
अरे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर नहीं निकाला क्या आपने? ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर निकालना था ना
सर, वो निकाल लिया
तो फिर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर से ही तो पता चलेगा ना कि हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर यूज्ड. सी
Yes, sir. With that only I was stuck.
अच्छा, you were stuck with that only. अच्छा, so you guys will tell me. Okay, Hamza, you will tell me. Okay, Fahim, you can also answer. Okay, I think you did not do the assignment because maybe you are not registered.
Yeah,
Have you
sir,
registered?
I still didn't get the app.
अच्छा, app. You can go to the portal, na, website.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
And then?
so and then who has done that? I am not a student, Fahim. I think Khalid and Hamza will guide you better. Hamza, you do it with app or website?
Website.
Website. Hamza, can you tell him how to register in the website?
Yes, like they will ask for the code number which your country has, and then you have to register your number, and they'll give you a
Basically,
code.
make account, right? Make account.
Ah,
first.
basically make account. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, it is intuitive, na, Hamza? Huh?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
What's the
मतलब ऐसे-
website's name?
Okay. What do you think, Fahim? What will be the website's name?
I don't know.
Arey, guess.
I
What
guess
What is the institute's name?
LearnView.
LearnIvio, huh? So Google LearnIvio. I hope the search engine optimized. It has been search engine optimized that you will get
No,
LearnIvio.
sir. Like if you search
In
Learn
LearnView
Google,
students
you'll get
portal,
there.
I guess.
It is different.
No, like if you search in Google, most of the time you can't actually enter. You get inside Lenovo's website.
No,
Not-
not the portal. See, but if you Google search, na, then you will get a LearnIvio student portal also.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just saved this one Lenovo Studio student portal from this one. Nishkar sir, he sent.
Acha, okay. So also in the website, if you click on sign in na, for LearnIvio, then also I think it will be redirecting you towards something else. Yeah, then also it is redirecting you to student.learnivio/account. Okay. So anyway, you can register. Fine, Fahim. I think you're doing it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, better do that right now. Okay. Meanwhile, Hamza, you can try this Cr2O7 2 negative plus C2 H4O. Just giving me C2 H4O2 plus Cr3 positive. What is the oxidation state here for chromium?
The +6.
+6. 14, 2. Yeah. What about carbon here?
-1.
-1. -1. This will be -2. This will be -1.
So
C2
hydrogen
H
will be +1, right?
+1. Sorry. +1. So we have 4 positive. Okay, yeah, -1, na? -1. Okay, now here carbon will be
0.
0. Hydrogen will be +1. Oxygen will be -2. Okay. What about Cr3 plus? It will be 3 plus. Now you can identify that we have. Let us first write the reduction. You can write any, it doesn't matter. So reduction is when you are going from higher oxidation state to lower oxidation state, right? That means Cr2 7 2 negative. Now it is in +6 oxidation state. Now it is getting Cr3 positive, right? That means how many electrons do I need? Tell me. First of all, it is not balanced, na? So I will write 2 Cr3 plus like this. Okay. Now you tell me from here to here,
The 3.
decrease by 3 per atom. Correct? Per atom, na?
Yes, sir.
So how many electrons? 6 electrons.
6 electrons.
Okay. Now you were having problem here.
Yes, sir.
Now you are fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you will have C2 H4O, which is giving me C2 H4O2, and plus how many electrons? So from here to here, increase 1 electron. Wait a second, Fahim, per atom. Ha, Fahim, tell me.
I just created my account and they're saying me that they will set up the account for 24 hours.
24 hours. Ha, it takes some time. Okay.
Okay.
So plus here I will write increase 1 electron per atom. There are 2 carbon atoms. That is why I will write 2 carbon atoms here. Okay, 2 carbon atoms. Acha, sorry. Let us complete this now. We did not complete this. Fine. So chromium is balanced. Then we want to balance what? Oxygen. How will we balance oxygen? It is in acidic medium. Are the charges balanced? Tell me. Charges are balanced, yes or no? Charges are balanced.
No, sir.
And what is the charge here? Total charge?
+4.
+4? No, I don't think so. 6 electron. So -6 and 2 -2. This will be equal to -8, na? Yes, Khalid, Hamza, Salman.
So what about the +6?
Yeah, -8.
वो तो oxidation state है ना, Fahim.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that is, we have written oxidation state. Okay. Now what about the charge here? It is only +3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if this is an acidic medium, we can only add H plus ions, right? We can only add H plus ions. So where should I add H plus ion? Tell me. Where should I add H plus ions?
On the reactant side.
Reactant side, है ना? Because it is negative, I have to make this positive. Cr2O7 2 negative plus 6 electrons plus how many? Acha, here we have, sorry, plus 6 charge. Okay, plus 6 charge because there are 2, 3 positive, na? Plus 6 charge, sorry. Tell me how many H plus?
14 H plus.
14 H plus, okay? And this will be giving you 2 Cr 3 positive plus 7 H2O. Now everything is balanced, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about Hamza, Hiba?
Yes, sir.
Everything is balanced? Okay. Now the next things that we want to do is oxidation. हिबा आपने किया था ये?
No, sir.
No, why? H4O2. What happened, Hiba? Plus 2 electron. Yes or no?
Because I
There is.
didn't got time.
अच्छा, you did not get time. एक तो छुट्टी चल रही है, तो क्या कर रहे हैं आप? हाँ, घर पे पकवान बनाना सीख रहे हैं क्या आप? हाँ, what are you doing, Hiba, nowadays? It's holiday ना? अच्छा, लर्निंग में एक्स्ट्रा क्लास हो रहा है क्या? हिबा?
No, sir.
नो ना? हाँ, हिबा को बोलने दीजिए. Yes, Hiba, tell me.
Yes, sir.
क्या कर रहे थे आप जो आपको टाइम नहीं मिला? Hamza, does she waste time? I don't think she wastes time, but yes, Hamza.
No, sir. She's kind of very introvert and calculated person, so she does not waste time.
I think so because I can understand that she is proper, but what is happening about exam में नहीं आ रहा तो छोड़ दीजिएगा क्या? I think that is the problem. Sir, redox reaction तो नहीं आ रहा exam में. But these things are important, okay? You will see that this is going to help you in electrochemistry, okay? This is going to help you somewhere in thermodynamics also, right? So these concepts in chemistry, these are like little what I can say, kadi jo bolte na, kadi. If you have a long chain, that each chain has some locks like this. So these are small locks. If they are not inside and if they are not stuck together, you will be having some conceptual gaps. Okay, fine. Let me start balancing this one. So charges are not balanced, right? Yes or no? Are the charges balanced? Check and tell, na?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No, charges is not balanced. So what can we do here? What can we do here, guys?
Add water.
Add water. Water add करने से क्या होगा बताइए?
We can add H ions, I think, on the product side.
Yeah, exactly correct, right? Because we have 0 charge here, है ना? And we have 2 negative charge here. So we want to decrease this charge, right? We can only add positive charges. So what I can do? I can add plus how much? H plus 2H plus, na? Right?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
2H plus. Okay. Now if I have added 2H plus, then I will balance that with adding water like this. H4O plus how many hydrogen? 1 H2O.
1 H2.
I think now it is balanced. The oxygens are also balanced now. 2 C2H4 O2 plus 2 electron plus 2H plus. Okay. This is our oxidation reaction. Okay. This is our oxidation reaction. Small size. Now what I can write also this reaction, which is balanced from here. And then we can add these two, right? We can add these two. Now, before adding these two, what I have to do, I have to make the number of electron in both of the half reactions equal. So I will multiply this with 6. So we'll have 6 here, you will have 6 here, you will have 6 here, and you will have 12 here, and you will have 12 here. No, I did the wrong thing. I had to multiply this with 3 only, no? Not 6, sorry. I have to multiply this with 3 to the 6. So this will be 6 electrons. And here it will be having 3 to the 6H plus. There will be 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Okay. Now everything is balanced. Now what I can do, I can first of all eliminate this 6 electrons. Okay, after that I will write 3C2H4O plus, now here we have 3H2O and here we have 7H2O. So what I can do, I can write directly here, there are 4 H2Os, first of all, correct? Because 3H2O will be cancelled by 4H2O, yes or no? Do you understand this part, yes or no? How many of you understand this part? That I can cancel 3H2O and here? No, you don't understand?
Sir, you
Sir,
consider
which
H2O,
H2O like
H2O, you subtract.
कौन बोल रहा है यहाँ पे? हाँ फहीम, फहीम use tell.
Like from just 3H2O and 7H2O, you subtract them and make 4H2O.
No, we are not subtracting it. Okay, fine. Let me write it like this. Sorry. Let me write all the things, okay? Acha, do you know how are we eliminating this 6 electron and 6 electron? No?
By adding hydrogen on both sides?
नहीं वैसे नहीं हो रहा. अच्छा. Whatever you write in equations, na, you write in equations in mathematics, it is by this sign. We use this sign for the chemistry. Okay, so these are chemical equations. In mathematics, you have linear equations. In chemistry, we have chemical equation. All the things are same. All the things are same. Okay, like linear equation, you will be treating the chemical equations also. Okay, as you treat the linear equation. First of all, you tell me, if I have like this, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4x, sorry, not 4x, let me write 4y plus 10x, 4z plus 10x. Can I write this equation as 2y is equal to 4z plus 7x? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, another question. If I have a reaction, if I have an equation like this, 2x plus 2y is equal to x plus z. Okay, then another thing we have 3x plus a is equal to 3x plus a is equal to, wait a second, right here, b plus c. Okay, b plus c. Wait a second, I gave you wrong example. Okay, now I want to add these two equations. Okay, now what I will write, 2x plus 2y plus b plus c is equal to p plus z plus 3x plus d. Yes or no?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt? Any
Yes.
doubt till here? No doubt,
No.
na? Can I write it like this? 2y plus b plus c is equal to p plus z plus x plus d.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you see that I can eliminate this and I can eliminate this and I can directly write this one, 1x here.
Yes, sir.
Fahim, आपको आया?
Yes, sir.
You understood it now?
That's how you did with 3H2O and 7H2O, right? Like
Yeah,
on both
yeah,
sides.
yeah. You understand it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So as we are dealing with linear equations, this is the similar way we deal with chemical equations. Okay. Okay, so 4H2O, and that is why also I am eliminating 6 electron from here and 6 electrons from here. Okay, because they are getting, they are both same, and they are also in the opposite sides of the equality sign or the. Okay, if you see the old textbooks now, in the old textbooks in the chemistry, they also have this equal to sign. Instead of writing this reaction sign like this, they also used to write equal to sign. But it's very old textbooks. I think somewhere around 1960s or 1970s. Those chemistry textbooks, if you used to write equal to sign. Maybe in 1980s and 1990s also. 3H2. Okay. So that means I can write directly 4H2 here, and then I will write Cr2 O72 negative. Okay, now 14H plus is here, and there is 6H plus here. So I will write 8H plus, yes or no here? Fine. Any problem? 8H plus? Any problem with 8H
No,
plus? No,
sir.
no?
No,
No,
sir.
no. Okay. Then I will directly write here 3C2H4O2 plus 2Cr3 positive. Any doubt till here? Fine. No doubt, na? I hope no doubt. Copy this.
No doubt, sir.
You can copy this. Let me know if you're done. So let me see your syllabus actually. Hydrogen 2 will be done. It's no issue. Thermodynamics, it's a big chapter. It needs a lot of time, thermodynamics. Then equilibrium is one of the biggest chapter. Equilibrium. Oh, one good thing is that after the next class, we will be doing only. That's good. We are getting 6 hours now. Okay. We will be getting 6 hours for the term 2. Yeah. Good. States of matter, thermodynamics, then hydrocarbon I can easily finish because now this is a problem. Fahim has not done organic chemistry with us.
Yes, sir.
We have not done
So
organic chemistry.
how far am I, like, from the beginning?
Bataiye, what do you think?
Hmm?
We are very far away now. See, we have already almost completed the term 1 portion. Yes or no, Fahim?
Yes.
And in term 2, we have completed states of matter. Okay. We have completed states of matter, and we are midway on thermodynamics. Not midway, but we are on the later stages of
On the way.
thermodynamics. Okay.
Mm.
And so if I talk about the complete chapters that you will be getting, it will be equilibrium, S block element, P block elements, and hydrocarbons. Okay. So only a few chapters you will be getting with me. That means complete chapters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Yeah, almost like 5 chapters are remaining. Okay, 5 chapters are remaining. Because I'm not counting thermodynamics because we are not almost done, but we are very far ahead for thermodynamics. Okay, Hiba is done, Hamza is done. P block, it is a bit big, and hydrocarbons, it is a bit big. Otherwise, S block is small, equilibrium is big, so we have 3 big chapters. Okay, I think we can complete that. Fahim is also done writing. Okay, Fahim, what you can do is now when you're done writing, you can raise your hands up. Okay, so if you raise the hands up, then I will understand that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let us do the second question. Acha, you guys did not try the second question now. Acha, let me do only here. Please write Zn plus NO3 negative. It is giving me Zn2 positive. Plus NH4 positive. And we have to do this in basic medium. Okay, in basic medium. By the way, Fahim, did you get any recordings for thermodynamics?
No, sir.
No. Okay. You can do a Google, I mean, you can do a YouTube search. Okay. You write Learnivio in the search bar. Okay.
Okay.
Learnivio followed by ME, then give a space and write A, and then write thermodynamics. Okay, so you can start with you can write it like this: lecture 1, lecture 2, something like that. Okay, you can write it lecture 1. Lecture is, I think it is written as LECT, lecture 1. Okay, so then you will get basic processes. Only one is uploaded here. I don't know what these guys are doing with the uploading of lectures.
Lecture 1, 2. Yeah, only 2.
Lecture 1 and 2 only.
Something like that.
Lecture 1 is
2
there. Lecture 2 is there.
1.
Like 3, 4 is there. When is 4 uploaded? 2 days ago. No, we have done at least till 6 lectures. I think 6 lectures are done. You can get till lecture 7. Okay.
Okay.
Lecture 7 क्या? I think lecture 8 भी आपको शायद होगा, मिल जाएगा. Lecture 8, 7 or 8. Relation between CPCV. Enthalpy of formation, Hess law. 4 घंटे का कहाँ से ये लेक्चर आ गया? Wait a second. Why they are uploading it not a... Okay, they have combined 2 lectures like that. Okay. Again, let us start with the oxidation state first. So let me write the oxidation state. This will be 0. Oxygen is -2. So 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, and then +5, right? +5 because it is NO3. Zn2 positive is 2 positive here. Hydrogen will be +1. What about nitrogen? Nitrogen will be -3 here, right? 4 and -1, 3. 4 and -1 will be -3. Okay. So from zinc to Zn2 plus, it is what? Increase by 2 per atom. And if I go from nitrogen to nitrogen here, it is decrease by 2 per atom. Okay, decrease by 2 per atom. Let me write the oxidation half and the reduction half. So what is getting oxidized here? Zinc or nitrogen? Which is getting oxidized?
Nitrogen.
कौन बोला?
Yes.
अरे भाई, कैसे? +5 से -3, it is getting reduced now. Oxidation state is decreasing. See, I have written decrease by 2 oxidation state, है ना? Zinc oxidation 0 to +2. Why did you say nitrogen?
I didn't see that.
तो ऐसे ही बोल दिए. हाँ फहीम.
जी.
अच्छा, ऐसे ही नहीं बोला जाता है. You have something, okay? I will ask why always. Oxidation is sometimes I will say just ऐसे ही बोल दो कुछ भी. Then you say like that only, okay? Zinc to Zn positive. Then I will have reduction. No, I have to balance this. Zinc to zinc positive. What do I need to do? I need to first of all add some electrons, right? Add some electrons. So I will add 2 electrons. This is due to the oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation. And it is already balanced, yes or no? Everything is balanced?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I will write reduction, which is NO3 negative. And it is getting converted to how many? What? NH4 positive. Okay, first of all, I will do the reduction here. So +5 to -3, how many electrons? +5 to -3, how many electrons?
-8.
नहीं -8 नहीं बोलते, +8 electron है ना, we are adding 8 electron, that is why it is a reduction. Okay, that is why it is a reduction. Okay, now what else needs to be balanced? Let us calculate the charge here. So the charge in this side is what? Minus, and here it is 8 minus, that is why it is -9. And what about here? It is 1 positive. Okay, +1. So what do we need to do? So it is basic. That means we can only add OH negative in any of these sides. Yeah, tell me now, what do I need to do? Where do I need to add OH negative? Reactant side or product side? You understand this +1 charge and -9 charge now? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Hiba,
Yes.
Salman, Khalid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me, in which side should I add OH negative?
Sir,
On the
in the
left-hand side?
product side.
Product side. And how many OH negatives?
10.
10 OH negative, yes or no? All of you agree? 10, na?
Yes.
If I add 10 OH negative, now this is very weird because I have to write 10 and also I have to write oxygen after that. So 10 OH negative, right? 10 OH negative. Now what do I need to do? I need to balance the waters, right?
Yes.
So what do I need to do? How much water should I add? How much water should I add? Here we have 10 oxygen. Here we have 3 oxygens, right? That means there is a difference of 7 oxygen. That means 7 H2O. See, it is balanced, yes or no?
Yes.
Is it balanced? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what? Now I will add both of these, the oxidation and the reduction. I will multiply this by 4, na, to balance the electron. You just need to balance the electron. So as soon as I multiply this by 4, this will become 8 electrons. This will become 4 zinc. This will become 4 zinc. Now, the first thing that you need to do is, whenever you are going to write a particular reaction in which there are electrons, half reactions, first of all, you will eliminate the electrons. Okay, because it is in the reactant and in the product side. Then what you can write, 4 zinc plus NO3 negative plus 7 H2O. And it is going to give you what? 4 zinc 2 positive plus NH4 positive plus 10. No, 10 plus 0 should be like this. This will be like this. OH negative. Okay, so now see, the good thing about redox reaction balancing, it is like it is not hit and try, right? It has somewhat steps that you can follow, and then you will be giving out the correct balanced reaction. Okay, correct balanced reaction. Now the oxidation number method, is very useful. It will be also used in the P block elements. Okay. So Fahim, if you have not learned the oxidation number method, then again you can use the YouTube and search for Learnivio and your batch ME batch A, Middle East batch A, and then you write redox reaction. In the redox reaction, you will see that in the which class? Let me see. In which class did we learn about oxidation number method? I think in 23rd December. Yeah. So if you also write this 23rd December, the date, then also you will get the lecture. Okay, for oxidation number. It is very important. Okay, this is very important. This is used to do balancing
Where
even
can I
in
get
the.
all these
He doesn't
notes?
write anything.
Yes, Fahim.
Where can I get all these notes, like past notes?
Oh, past notes. Okay, you can ask Nishkarsh sir for this. Okay.
Okay.
Even I can send it, but I need to sit down once and I have to make the PDFs. I think Nishkarsh sir will have somebody who can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So if you ask him for past notes, he can give you past notes.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. Acha. So if there is any doubt, then please let me know. And yes, tell me, Hamza, Hiba, Khalid, Salman. I think all of you were done with redox reaction in the school also. Is there anything specific that you did not understand in the school and you want to ask me here? If you can remember something.
I wanted to ask oxidation. Well, you explained it, so it's pretty okay now.
Actually, oxidation states. Oxidation states is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
What about other thing? Anything else? I think at least by the experience, I know that people mostly have problems in the balancing part. But I hope you guys are okay with the balancing right now. At least the conceptual part.
To the balancing part. Now it's
Achha, you
clear.
had? Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Achha. Anything else that you remember of your mind? That obviously, while you are in the classroom, and I hope that you are listening to the teacher, and if you're not listening, then you will not understand what you don't know. So it is very important to know what you don't know. So those who are reading computer science, now, let me tell you something from the future. That means you will be learning this in future. In every subject in that matter, you have a few things which are known as, and this is very, I mean, this is a very mental tool, good mental model that you can keep in your mind. There are known unknowns, and there are unknown unknowns. Okay. I mean, this is very easy. This is fine. Known unknown. You can set up a method. For example, right now, if you want to see your knowledge where you are lacking, and if you want to know what you don't know, then what do? You obviously, the school is ahead of our syllabus. You sit down when the teacher is teaching and try to learn attentively. So what you will be doing in each class, you will be saying that, okay, fine, I understand this topic. I don't
Sir.
understand this topic. Fahim, tell me.
I actually realized yesterday that our school finished P block and S block.
They have finished P block, S block?
Yes.
No problem, no. So what I mean, what is remaining
That's
in
where
your
we
school? Tell
finished everything. I don't remember that. All I remember is
Eh?
everything before that is done.
Everything before S block and P block is done.
Equilibrium is not done.
Equilibrium is not done. Thermodynamics.
Not done. Thermodynamics.
Thermodynamics not
I guess not done.
not done.
Hydrogen,
No?
organic chemistry, P block and S block. Yeah, that's it.
Organic chemistry has 2 chapters. Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is not done. I hope. Is hydrocarbon done?
So what's the other one? What's the other one?
The other one is organic chemistry, some basic concepts and techniques.
Yeah, that one is done. The hydro one is not done.
Hydrocarbon is not done. No? Okay, fine.
Not done.
So see, you will be doing with us equilibrium. Thermodynamics is going on. Hydrogen you will do with us. You will also do hydrocarbons. Okay. And obviously you will be doing S block and P block also. Fine. Okay. But in school, you please try to think about these things. If you're attentive in school, you will know what are the portions in which you are weak and you could not understand, and you can get it clear here. Okay. You can get it clear here. Obviously, I will be teaching each and every point, but in school, you will be knowing what are the things you
We
are
also
missing.
start with states of matter.
States of matter is done. States of matter is actually done. By the way, maybe, okay, what do you study any other subject here, Fahim?
No, chemistry is my first.
No.
subject.
Chemistry is the only subject. Okay, fine. So if let us suppose that you don't study any other subjects, or if your timings are fine, then okay, no, states of matter is done in every batch, I guess. Yeah. Thermodynamics is not going on in one of the batches. States of matter is done on every batch. That is kind of sad. Okay. I mean, the recordings are obviously present, and I am always present. Okay. So if you watch the recordings and you have any doubts, then we can set up a meeting with you and then we can discuss the doubts. For example, right now, like the class is over and you have some doubts from previous chapters, then obviously I will sit here and I can explain you those things. Okay. But the only thing is that, see, up late say, that means obviously you have not put enough hours in chemistry as Hamza, Heba, Khalid, and Salman have put here, right? So
Yes.
you have to put those hours. Okay, you just put those hours, and if I see that you are working, then I will sit and explain. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Okay, fine. So this chapter is done. In the next Tuesday, we will be starting and hopefully ending also hydrogens.
Then next
Hydrogen.
chapter will have this one, the first oxidation explanation. I need to see that again.
Which one?
Like the first of the oxidation part. I want to see it again.
Oxidation number method.
Yeah,
Acha, balancing.
yeah. So will you have
Okay.
the recording?
Wait a second. Let me check. I don't know actually. Is this not getting recorded?
It is like getting recorded, but in cloud. So
No, it is getting recorded. I don't have the access right now. I am only seeing the YouTube one. Okay.
YouTube, I checked. I didn't get it.
Okay. No. There is.
There is.
But they have messed up with the lecture number actually. Wait a second. Ion electron. This was 23 stock notation and balancing. Okay. 6 days ago. Let me send you the link. Salman. Okay, let me send it to everyone if somebody else also wants to watch that. But it is there, okay? I mean, we did stock notation on the same day, right?